Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will tell you parts of speech in English with Urdu, vocabulary and examples for beginners. So listen to me carefully. How to pronounce this word? Brave, brave. In Urdu, Bahadur. How would it be used in a sentence? Brave. He is a brave soldier. In Urdu, वो एक बहादुर सिपाही है. How to pronounce this word? Honest. Honest. In Urdu, ईमानदार. How would it be used in a sentence? Honest. An honest man is always respected. In Urdu, ईमानदार आदमी को हमेशा इज्जत दी जाती है. What are the parts of speech? Definition. Parts of speech are categories that tell us what a word does in a sentence. Each word in a sentence has a role. There are 8 main parts of speech. Number of parts of speech with Urdu meanings. Number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, verb. Number 4, adjective. Number 5, adverb. Number 6, preposition. Number 7, conjunction. Number 8, interjection. Number 1, noun. A noun is a name of a person, place, thing or idea. Examples of noun. Ali is a good boy. Ali person. The book is on the table. Book thing. Karachi is a big city. Karachi place. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, then you like, comment, share and don't forget the subscribe channel. Thanks.